Hello traders, hello traders. The title of the video is a technical trader talks about dual or complex triangle chart patterns. Technical trader talks about dual and complex triangle chart pattern. Alright, so this is a very simple tutorial to open the eyes of chart pattern traders. Sometimes we have what we call a dual triangle chart pattern, or even a complex triangle chart pattern. Let me explain myself. Can I explain myself, please? Okay, thank you. Before you run away, alright? You are using a triangle chart pattern. It can be a descending triangle, ascending triangle, symmetrical triangle, alright, you name it, any triangle that you can think of, alright? An ending diagonal, alright? What's going on here? What have I? Okay, so as you see the triangle, something's happening with my chart here. I need to be careful now. Okay. So suppose you see this triangle here, the yellow one here, alright? What usually happens, people only focus on that triangle. It's like the same thing when we are using a pitchfork tool. A trader may draw a pitchfork tool, and he or she may think that that's the only pitchfork tool that they can draw on their chart. You can draw multiple pitchfork tools on your chart, alright? The same thing when traders are drawing Fibonacci retracement. A trader may draw it from here all the way up here, and that trader may think that that's the only Fibonacci retracement that he or she can draw. But no, anytime the price goes up from here to here and pull back, we can apply Fibonacci retracement or Fibonacci extension to that session. So you see now, so the same thing when we are using the triangle. We see the triangle, so you're looking at the chart, you say, all right, there's a triangle here. If you draw it, you draw that yellow triangle on your chart. There's a look. And then you're making your decision, all right? You're making your decision based on that consolidation within that yellow triangle. But what I want you to remember today, okay, what I'm trying to do is to get your attention to the fact that sometimes you may see a bigger triangle, but there will be other smaller triangle within that triangle. Or you may see a triangle first, but there will be another triangle added to that triangle, making the topic of triangle chart pattern a bit complex. So we can talk about complex triangle chart pattern. Can we talk about it? Which means triangle adding to other triangle. Either is inside it, like this one here, we have a dual triangle. The yellow triangle was in place, but within that yellow triangle, we have a red triangle. But a lot of traders do not train themselves to catch up with what's going on. And sometimes they may miss an opportunity. This is the reason why, let me say this to you, very, very important point, very, very important point. Are you listening? Are you listening to me? All right, I'll get your attention. This is the reason why, like now you see here, so we usually will take the height of the most important part of the triangle. We will use the height of the triangle and project it at the breakout point. Here it is. All right, the ultimate target will be somewhere down there, and we know that there is a midpoint somewhere where the price did stop here. Okay, this is how we use the triangle to set the price target. But sometimes you may be wonder why the price stopped even before, all right, before the midpoint target, and the price changed direction quickly, and why it didn't go down more or why it didn't go up more. You are wondering that. It's because of other triangles that are within the bigger triangle that you have not spotted. So like this one here, you see here? So other trader who spotted that there's a smaller triangle within it, as it pop up there, they don't want to use this measuring stick, or they may use it, but they will also use this one. Is it better to have one eye or two eyes? It's better to have two, isn't it? So you want to see from a different angle. So if you are using a red one, your target will be near the pink one. You see here? You form a double bottom here, and then it went up again. And there is a midpoint target for that red measuring stick, which is somewhere here, where the price did stop. See here, this one. Midpoint target for that red measuring stick, all right, is somewhere here. That's where the price did stop. But if you were using only the yellow measuring stick, or if you were concentrating only on a bigger triangle, if you have not spotted other triangle, sometimes you may see 2 or 3 triangles within one triangle. Or sometimes the triangle will be adding to other triangle, and things can become very, very interesting. If you understand it, it will become very, very interesting, or it will become complex to you if you cannot understand what is happening. All right? So when people are talking about complex matters, very bright people, very intelligent people will say, that's very, very interesting, yes or no? It's like going to the moon. All right? For Mr. Elon Musk, it's not a complex task. It's a very interesting task, yes or no? All right? Mr. Bezos, the chief executive of Amazon, it's not a complex matter. It's a very, very interesting matter. So what we are trying to do is that you also can understand what is going on, so you may not call it a complex issue. So when you see a triangle like this, and you are using your measuring stick, and you think you see the price behaving in a different way, you may want to say, George said that the price always headed to a specific target level, either midpoint target or the ultimate target. What's going on here? Now it clicked, yes or no? It clicked. Did it click? Yes, it clicked. So you will be now looking for other triangle, and you will understand why the professional are behaving like a crazy monkeys, jumping up and down all over the place. So you understand why people are selling here. They were using this triangle, the measuring stick here. All right. Why we have a bullish chart pattern here, people start buying. There's a ultimate target for a red one here. All right. Or there's the midpoint target for the yellow measuring stick, and so on and so on. So now that the price break below that pink line, what people will do? They will use, now, hold on please. Oh la la, okay. You use this one and project it down. What? And there will be a midpoint target somewhere where we are now again. Can you see that? We are at the midpoint target of that measuring stick. That's why it's changing direction again here. So pay attention to, all right, dual triangle. In that case, we have one big triangle and another smaller triangle within the bigger triangle. Or you may even have 3 triangles, one bigger triangle, one medium triangle, and one smaller triangle, all in the same space. Or you can have more complex triangle price structures, chart patterns, and you will be wondering what's going on. But if you understand what is taking place, all right, you can take advantage of it, because a consolidation, a triangle is a consolidation. It's also telling us that anything is possible. It can break above it, can break below it. All right, it's a warning. All right, well, we are talking about the triangle recently at a 2-4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Are you a subscriber? Subscribe to them. So here it is. So you'll be wondering what's going on. But if you understand it clearly, if you understand that a triangle, a bigger triangle can contain, all right, other triangle, we can have multiple triangle, it will not become complex to you anymore. But remember, it will become very, very interesting. Why is interesting? Because you have an edge. You are seeing something that others could not see. You can see through wall, probably. All right. That's what I'm saying. So you have an edge. You understand why the price behaving the way it's behaving, and you make better decision, probably better decision. But remember this: don't get carried away and say, ha 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 ha. I have an edge. I'll buy before everybody, and they are all stupid. Don't think that way. All right. All you have an edge means that you anticipate. You know what is likely to take place before it happens. But before you can get paid, you want to use a different time frame trading method. All right. So let's see. So you like this one? Okay. Let me show you probably this. I see some triangle before. Let's see whether that will be useful for this tutorial. So when I was analyzing Johnson and Johnson, okay, see I see triangle here. This is a very interesting triangle. So you see the first triangle. You want me to make it tick for you? You see, I can remember the chart that I looked at before. I can remember. Can you see that triangle, or do you need glasses? All right. Okay, that's the first one. Okay. And then we have the second triangle, a very tiny, sharp triangle. I like this triangle. I don't want to remove it. I like it because I like the shape of that one. You see now? So one triangle has been formed. Everybody think that we're going to have a breakout. So your triangle is a low volatility. So I can go on and on and on and on and talk about triangle to you all day long. It's indicating also a low volatility period. It's a consolidation, yes or no? All right. So after a low volatility, we have alternance, low volatility, high volatility, low volatility, high volatility. But now, this is surprise, surprise. Instead of having a high volatility, which means momentum increasing after it breaks above the blue. Okay, you see here? It breaks above it and retests it here. So if you are swing trader, you'll be jumping and say, this is exactly what I just said. TLCWS1008, I'll buy and forget. It's going to go out forever. But look, see, it went up a bit though. So here it went up a bit and then pulled back and then it went up again. So here you'll be saying that here it is. I'll add to my position again here, which is not wrong. It's correct. All the excitement there is normal. Yes, everybody will be excited. You brace above the blue one, retest it neatly, common settle as broker, you implement your top down trading method, you buy, you have done your job. You can be proud of that. Okay? You went up, you take some profit, probably you take some profit because again, you pull back again, common settle as broker, you add to your position again. Now it breaks above, you buy. That's normal. It's okay. You are just behaving like a normal technical trader. Nothing wrong with that. But did the price went up after that? No. Look, it came down. If you don't have enough stop loss, or if you buy put a call option, you may have expiration. Many months, the price just went out of the pink triangle. It came down all the way to the moving of a 200. This is the moving of a 200. By the way, this is 2008, 2009, the financial crisis. This is what's happening now. So, you see, that's what we are saying. For swing traders, all right, it's not all about the system itself or your ability to trade. There are other things. So, the market environment is what we call them, the trading triangle, right? The market environment was bearish, so it was not a good time to buy and hold for a long time. It's a time when one should be very, very agile. Buy, grab your profit, run away. Buy, sell, grab your profit, run away. And the market environment was bearish. So that's why the actual trend that everybody was expecting, you see, we didn't see that all trend from low volatility into high volatility, or a low volatility followed by a stronger momentum. Few years down the line, since this date, 2004, when everybody was expecting that trend, the trend finally took place here in 2012. So probably you have dumped that triangle trading method that you have learned and you forget about it. You say, oh, I lost money. Okay? So after touching the movement of 200, it goes back inside the triangle. And then you have, so here we have, okay, a complex triangle. One triangle here, ending here, followed by another triangle before he went up. So which one are you going to use as your measure stick? Is it this one? Both. You can use this one or whatever. Okay, just keep putting it up, 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 up to set the target, multiple targets. So you'll be doing like this. And then you project it again. Look at that. Stop there. So you are not the only person. You stop again the target. Are you seeing it now? Again, you stop here. Target. Okay? Now you understand why j'adore the triangle. Why I love triangle. Next target, the pink one. Look. Look. It's happening all over the place. Now you understand why I love triangle. You see now? Or you may use this one. You can see this one is not vertical. If you see that, you may use instead, okay, the vertical measure stick. All right, so instead of using this like this, we use the vertical one, and you just keep doing it. So you may say, George, if you are using that one, your target will be there. So now, you see, prime breaks above it and retest it, so you can find trading opportunity. Then let it again, come and retest that one again, and then you project it one more time. Am I speaking too much today? Or we need to wrap it up soon? Okay, don't worry. All right. You see, I'm aware of it. I'm paying attention to the time. So some video that you see is 30 minutes. I didn't do it on purpose because I have to talk more and explain more. Next target again. Look at this one. Braceable, retest. So those targets, if the price does not stop exactly there, or you may do not see a reversal there, it may break above it and retest it, and that could be excellent time to look for an opportunity to buy or sell. So the targets are useful. Here it is. We come again exactly to the pink one again, similar to this one also in the same zone. So we have two targets with the first triangle, the second triangle, pointing this level of 141 as a key resistance zone to watch. It came down, it went there, it came down, now it's fighting it again at the same zone as we are recording this video today on the 18th of April 2019. 44 minutes past 2 p.m. in London, 18th of April 2019. Okay, you see that? So they are still fighting that level of 14100 because people know that there is a problem there. It went above it, they kick it back down. Okay, is it forming a head and shoulder chart pattern? We will see. Use a different time frame trading method to trade it like a prop. You see, so everybody may see the opportunity, but the only people that will truly get paid, apart from the lucky one, are those that are managing the trade using a different time frame trading method. It's just too important. Market timing, market timing. So this will conclude our discussion today about the technical trader talks about dual and complex triangle chart pattern. I hope I have managed to open your technical trader eyes today. I hope you have found this video useful. All right. If it is useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you say, George, same story, same, all right, same blah blah blah. All right, you try to impress me. I'm not. Mark it down. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. To learn more about the chart pattern trading, go to www.stochastic-marketing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is 24 Stock Trader. Digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we publish a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Reality STW24 Traders, talking about technical trader, talks about dual and complex triangle chart pattern. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. If you have any comment, suggestion, lament, complaint, feel free to put in the comment section. I always read the comment, and in due course, I will be back again recording another tutorial. Happy trading to you all.